Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on that device. So to add a widget to your home screen, you should first hold for a while home screen with your finger, the empty space, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just tap one from the widget to add it to your home screen. Just by tapping you couldn't do that, so you should just hold it for a while, and after that you should just move it just by this way. You should hold, drag it to your home screen. If you want to move widget here on the screen and between the screens, we should hold the widget and drag it by this way. Also, you could just resize some of the widgets to check how you could do that. Hold it for a while, and after that you'll see here these 4 dots, so you could make it bigger or smaller by this way. To remove widgets from your home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. If you wanna just unremove the widget, you should click here to the undo by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.